future medical billers and coders, welcome to week 3. Let's do a walkthrough tutorial on applications 101. All right, go ahead and select applications 101. Click on modules. Scroll down to week 3. Be sure to read the introduction. Readings are the same. Refer back to your MBC 10 week 3 tutorial to walk through how to access your Cengage ebook. Discussion activities include HIPAA regulations and a job description for privacy compliance officer. Again, you'll just click into each discussion activity, review what's being asked of you, and then initiate your first response no later than Wednesday of week 3. All right, moving on, let's talk about week 3 assignments. So you will have a EHR Go assignment and a HIPAA quiz. Let me walk you through each of those. Your EHR Go is worth 60 points. Again, activity description and resources are already included for you. So this activity is an introduction to health information terminology for the beginning EHR student. This activity is going to introduce you to terms used in healthcare, the medical office, and in the electronic health record. Again, you are going to document your answers directly on the activity document included below. Once you've completed the questions, you will save this and then you will upload this for grading. I'm going to go ahead and click on the activity link. You can also download your resource directly from EHR Go. Or again, you can just click on the document right here, okay? All right. Launch EHR, select new session. And then again, what you'll need to do is you'll have to have your resource document, which I'm going to open now so you can see what it looks like. Click Enable Editing and automatically come up to the left-hand corner, click Auto Save and save this to your OneDrive. Again, there's going to be a glossary of terms to review first, okay? Scroll down to where you see the activity. And the activity describes that you will be reviewing a patient's chart and referring to the glossary above. You can also use an internet search to locate the medical abbreviations, or you can also use in your library, you have a Taber's Medical Dictionary. So just use any resources available to you to answer the questions. All right. First question, for example, is Lou's medical problem is documented in the EHR as a bursitis of the left shoulder. So what you would need to do is you would have to go into Lou's chart here. I'm going to refresh this. I'm not seeing all of my tabs here. And if that happens to you, this is a really great example. Just refresh your screen, or maybe just X out of EHR Go and go back in. As you can see, now I have my full list of tabs. So the question was asking if Lou's medical problem is documented in the EHR is bursitis of the left shoulder. So I could go over to Lou's problem list. And I can look through to see what his active problems are to answer that question. Another question that's being asked is the diagnosis code M75.51 for Lou's problem is also called so remember this, a diagnosis code is the patient's condition. or the patient's problem. So M75.51 describes a musculoskeletal condition or disease. So this would be represented as a ICD-10 code. All right. Again, just review each section, including the notes tabs, to answer the questions below. There's also some HIPAA or health information questions. And it guides you along. So for example, question 18, under the account tab, view the claim section, which code is was used to bill for the procedure chosen in the question above. So let me walk you through the account section to view claims as well. So again, scroll all the way down till you get to account, click claims. Under the account tab, view the claim section, which code was used to bill for the procedure chosen for the question above. Okay, so the question above is based on the orders which procedure was performed. So you're going to come up here to the health section. You're going to click on orders. And then review all the orders that are included to answer that question. So we can see that there was a consult, there was an oncology consult, there was an EKG, there was a chest x-ray, there was a CT scan of the patient's neck, chest, and abdomen. So there's a total of, I believe, 20 questions. All right. So once you've answered all of those questions, save your file if you have not done so already. Go back over to your activity. There'll be a blue button for you to start the assignment and then upload your file. All right, let's move on to your second week 3 MBC 101 assignment. That will be your HIPAA quiz. Click on the assignment, read the instructions, or most importantly, when you're prompted to enter your DSI number, that is going to be your student ID. So your S0 followed by a sequential numbers. Click on the link, click here, then click HIPAA test. Enter your first name, your last name, your student number and DSI, your student email. Select your location as online, program, medical billing and coding, semester, 2024 summer. Okay, and then you're going to click continue. Let me see if I can demonstrate this for you. It's going to make something up here. All right. And then once you hit continue, scroll down and then start answering the questions. Once you've answered all the questions, then you're going to hit submit. What's going to happen is once you pass the HIPAA certification quiz, there's going to be a certificate. That certificate needs to be saved and then upload as a file into this assignment. Okay, so after you take this quiz, there'll be a certificate that's presented to you with your name on it and the date. And then again, that's what needs to be added into Canvas assignments. All right, and that is it for your week 3 walkthrough of your assignments for MBC 101, and I will see you in the next episode.